Hello everyone. I wanted to show you how this job turned out on my 2014 Charger. I was losing coolant for months now, just a little bit at a time, and I could not figure out where it was going, so I just kept adding. So right here it was. I finally traced it down. This crack right there. So this coolant reservoir can be had, let's see, from Amazon. I think it's about $45, $43 maybe. And then also, I got mine at Rock Auto. This is a Dorman. It's about, delivered was about $70. So it turned out really nice. Would never be able to get this one cleaned up. Look how nasty it looks. So for about $50, it's well worth it. Turned out great. And put it right there where it's supposed to be, and I expect it to well, I drove it today and it stayed right where I wanted it to. So just a little problem I couldn't fit by changing that out. And also, here's another little thing I want to point out. That T right there, when this car was made, that was a plastic T there, and it broke on me. Had to get my car towed. It was a big deal. I was a little ways from home there, so it was not fun. Plus I had my dog with me, so it wasn't a good thing. So expect that T to go out if you have a 2014 or in that era Dodge Charger or Challenger. So that needs to be changed out. I think you can get both I got both hoses and changed them out. Tied them up just a little bit off of this. And your antifreeze now, if you might have pink. This is what I got here. It's see where it says organic acid technology. They call it OAT. So that's what this car calls for. And that's about it. And a little bonus here. Don't be afraid to change your spark plugs out. You know you have 16 of them. And right here it's a number 10. You take these two, these are your coils. Unplug that, pull that tab up. Let's see if I can pull it up. See how that pulled up there? Snap back down. Pull that up, maybe spray a little lubricant or whatever. Work it up and down and pull that off. Well, I'll even try to do it right now. Okay. No, I don't want to mess with it. That's what you do. I sprayed a little lubricant there, just a little WD-40 or something. Wiggled it a little bit and it came right up. So I changed mine. They're not that difficult. You need your plug wrench is the one. Get one at AutoZone. It's got a magnet on it, you know, and then you'll lift your plug out. It's not a big, well, look how they're right here. So they're not hard to get to. I also put a new water pump on this thing right here, new serpentine belt. And another thing I like about this car is your thermostat's right here. Very, very easy to get to. Just 2 bolts. And that's about it for now. Looking coolant tank. Maybe losing. It also came with a new cap. So highly recommended. Hope you like and subscribe to 88 Mustang GT. And I'll even put this on here as a little bonus. Here is the 88 Mustang GT, and it does not run right now. I need to get a new ECU for it, so look for this to be fired up soon, and I'll definitely post a video. You'll be the first to see it. Have a great day. Here's a look at how I did it. Hope you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.